Hi, my name is Huzaifa and I'm from the support team of Tradetron.tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your ICICI Direct account with Tradetron in order to conduct algo trades. So connecting any broker account is quite simple. In order to connect your ICICI account, you first need to sign into the website. After signing in, a page like this should appear and you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you see partners. So just go to partners and the partners within partners you will see all the broker partners of Tradetron. Here you need to go to setup instructions. So since I need to set up ICICI Direct, I'll click on setup instructions. A new page will appear of the ICICI Direct setup instructions. So the first step to connect your ICICI Direct account would be to open this API website of the ICICI Direct page. So once you open the API website, you will see there are two options. One is sign up and one is login. So the first time you log into this website, you need to sign up. So once you click on sign up, you need to update all the relevant details out here. So all of these details you can find from your 3-in-1 ICICI account. So just put in your name, mobile number, email address, user ID, password, and the confirm password. And after you click on submit, a new account for yourself will be created on the ICICI API website. After that is done, you need to go to login. So just click on login, and on login it will ask for your user ID and password. So I'll quickly put in my user ID. Now this user ID will be the same ID that I used to log in onto my ICICI 3-in-1 account. And the password will be the password that you just built when you clicked on sign up on the API page. So I'll use that password and I click on submit. So as you can see, a page like this will appear with all your registered apps. So since I've already made some apps previously, they are showing up out here. But for the first time, there shouldn't be any apps that should show out here. So what I'll do is I'll make a new app in front of you. So you need to go to register an app and you need to give a name to the app. So I'll call my app as Tradetron. So out here you can see there are three options: registered URL, redirect URL, and ICICI Direct user ID. So in order to get the inputs for these, you need to go back to the configure page. So I'll open the configure page, and out here you will see in point number 6 we have mentioned the registered URL. So simply copy this URL and paste it in the registered URL. After that, you'll see redirect URL. Similarly, you need to just copy this link and paste it in the redirect URL. And then your ICICI Direct user ID is the user ID that you need to use for your 3-in-1 account. Now, one thing that you need to remember is that out here you need to update your user ID at Tradetron's end. So in order to find the user ID, you simply go back to the Tradetron website. Out here you will see your name on the top right corner. So click on your name and you will see profile. Click on profile, and within profile you will see an ID out here. So just copy this ID under the circle, and I will just paste it after the forward slash. So after doing that, I will click on submit. So now it is giving me a message saying app is successfully registered, and it is asking me to generate the keys. So I will click on generate key. Now it asks me for the app name. I'll click on submit, and then you can see my keys have been generated out here. So now you need to go to view apps, and you will see the app that you had generated will show up here. After that, you have to go to the app status and you'll see deactive by default. So click on deactive and click on yes, you want to activate the app. Now just reload the page and you will see that the app has become active now and you are ready to go. So the next step will be on Tradetron's website. So once we switch to the Tradetron website, you have to go to the brokers and exchanges page. So once you go to the broker and exchanges page, you will find add broker. So click on add broker, and out here you have to look for your ICICI Direct broker. So I'll search for ICICI Direct, and out here, so in connect to broker, there are three inputs that you need. One is app key, secret key, and token. So app key and secret key will both be available on the ICICI Direct API page. So I'll just open the page, and here you see public key. So simply copy this entire public key, and you have to paste it where it is where it mentions app key. So after pasting it, simply go back to the page, copy the secret key, and then again paste it where it is mentioned secret key. The token can be left blank, and I'll come to token in the next 2 minutes. After that, you can click on save. So once you click on save, you are pretty much good to go. This means that your account has been added with your ICICI Direct account has been added with Tradetron. Now, one last step that needs to be done before you can proceed is that you have to generate a token. So a token is basically a way by which you can authorize Tradetron at ICICI Direct's end. So in order to generate the token, you need to find this link that will be mentioned in the list of brokers. So just look at this link and right click on it and click on open in incognito window. So I'll open this in incognito window, and a very familiar ICICI Direct login page should appear. Out here, you need to put the credentials of your ICICI 3-in-1 account. So the user ID and password and the date of birth will be of the ICICI Direct trading website, not the API website. And then click on agree and submit. So after clicking on submit, a page like this called success should appear. If this page appears, that means that you have done everything correctly up till now, and you can simply close this page. After clicking on success, um, after closing that page, you will see that the last updated time of the token would have changed. This means that now you are ready to fire orders with Tradetron from your ICICI Direct account. So before you can deploy your strategies live, it is always suggested to test to test if you have done everything correct or not. So in order to test it, you can simply open a new tab and look for the strategy called itc.tradetron.tech and click on the same link. This will redirect you to a strategy which will buy one share of ITC, and it will square it off after 1 minute. So I'll simply duplicate this strategy, and after duplicating, I'll go to my strategies, and after going to my strategies, I'll click on deploy, and I will select live auto, and the broker is ICICI Direct, and I'll click on deploy. Now I'll go to the deployed page. So you can see my deployment has been made, and this deployment ideally should buy one share of ITC in the next 1 odd minute. So that is how you connect your account. Currently, this particular deployment will not work because it's off market hours. However, if you do it during market hours, the deployment should fire one trade of ITC. While doing this, if in case you get something like error execution, or for any reason if this doesn't work, you can simply go to this three dots, and you can go to notification log. So in the notification log, if you see something related to token, or if your token has expired, what you can do is you can directly go to the broker and exchanges page, and out there you will see this particular link again. So you simply can regenerate the token from your. Once you get the success page again, you can retry the same order, after which your order should be successfully placed. So I hope this video on connecting your ICICI Direct account with Tradetron help you. However, if you are stuck anywhere or you are not able to not able to do this, please feel free to drop us an email at support@tradetron.tech. We would be more than happy to help you. Thank you.